Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by enabling Stage Manager in Control Center and choosing how you want external displays to behave. Connect your iPad to a monitor or AirPlay, then open an app and add a second app to the Stage Manager dock. Once done, adjust the display options, show recent apps or hide them, and set whether apps overlap. These initial steps create a workspace you can immediately manipulate. Make sure multitasking permissions are granted so window grouping works correctly. Next, arrange your workspace by dragging apps into groups on the left column. This forms discrete spaces you can switch between. Resize windows by grabbing edges, stack overlapping apps for quick layering, and snap windows to grid positions for precision. Once you have apps grouped, open the shelf to recall recent windows or documents. Dragging from the shelf back into a group restores context quickly. Use split view within a group when you need two apps equal focus, and toggle overlays to maximize screen real estate. To finish, lock in a productive setup by leaving groups as you want them so Stage Manager recalls layouts when you switch tasks. Practice keyboard shortcuts and multi-touch gestures to jump between groups faster. This speeds workflow significantly. For final polishing, adjust window sizes and order, then test switching to another app and back. If windows behave oddly, restart Stage Manager in Control Center or disconnect and reconnect the external display. That usually resolves driver or layout glitches without losing your saved group arrangements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.